you say my dark and no cause lights out. Yeah.
Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only purple shine on my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this, contents you enjoy listening. Alright, so today I want to talk about Koffe. And after Kabaka Pyramid drag her name in the dirt, you see me, with the whole Valiant situation, Koffe was involved in some argument with a flight attendant. You see me, and we also have comments that we want to show you of what other people think about the situation. But before that, and stay tuned for Sick Chronicler, wicked piece of backpack, you see me. The backpack even a blink some evil eyes and these things. So stay tuned for see that one, the kite mad. Alright, so it is reported that Koffe attempted to use the restroom in the first class even though she was seated in economy. She was refused entry by a flight attendant, where this led to an altercation between Koffe and the flight attendant, and right here the flight attendant is doing her job, so she not really do anything wrong. You see me? International civil aviation requirement stipulates that an aircraft cannot take off or land with any passenger standing in the aisle, and that means that anybody whether in the bathroom or anybody where stand in the airplane, everybody need to be seated and strapped down to your seat belt, because we don't want nobody to drop and lose them balance and lick them head. This is for all passengers' safety. For all passenger safety, it is required that everyone seated in the aircraft and strapped to your seatbelt. And as a result of the confrontation between Koffe and the flight attendant, guess what? The pilot have to circle the plane in the sky because him cannot land the plane when Koffe and the flight attendant up or have them discussion, a try to resolve, or a try to say, alright, you can't use it because of this reason. And Koffe probably say, I want to use it because of this reason. Alright, so the flight eventually landed later than scheduled at the Miami International Airport at 2:10 p.m. 2 hours after the takeoff from Norman Manley International Airport. Passengers on the flight were allowed to disembark the aircraft, but Koffe was brought in with the authorities and she was interviewed by the airport authorities. So them go to bring in Koffe and I say, alright, listen, ma'am, we know you are a celebrity, we know you are an international person, but at the same time you are a passenger when you're in the skies, you see me, and because you were not booked for a first class, it is not allowed for anyone when you're the back of the class and you don't have no subject. I may joke about that still because Valiant back of the class and the subject. Alright, fun and joke aside, yes, so Koffe is being interviewed right now by the authorities. I try to figure out or try to tell her the policy, the airplane policy that she must follow on the aircraft, whether or not she's a celebrity. You see me? I promise you. So this is what some of the comments are saying. You can't force entry into first class cabin when you are seated in economy. There is a reason why you pay more to travel first class. Next one, Jamaicans will always be Jamaicans. Don't take talk from nobody. So she say, yo, Jamaicans don't take talk from nobody. If me say I want to use it, I use it. Alright. Then this one says, kiss me teeth. American Airlines do too much. Other airlines allow you to use whichever bathroom. Unfortunate, but first class restroom is always for those passengers. Koffe don't make celebrity status get your head. Uncle Salmon FAA American Airlines bigger than your status. Wow. This one says, not going to judge yet. Maybe she had to go real bad and other was being used, just maybe. And this one says, I know she travels very regular. Why not follow the rules? We Jamaicans, we cannot break people rule. Celebrity or normal people rule a rule. And we have something else to show in it, you know. We have Chronicler evil jetpack. You see me? Chronicler have a evil backpack. And the backpack wicked. The backpack are even a blink. You see me? Because you know Chronicler is fully darkness. So check out the video.
Acid jet, man, acid. Okay.
watch this video where Valiant this popcorn. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. So thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments, thanks for the support and everything. As always, I'm out.